Hi everyone! Welcome back! Today, we are going to learn the names of different body parts in English. Are you ready? Let's learn and have fun! This is my head. These are my eyes. I use my eyes to see. These are my ears. I use my ears to hear. This is my nose. I use my nose to smell. This is my mouth. I use it to eat and speak. These are my hands. These are my fingers. These are my arms. This is my leg, and this is my knee. These are my feet. These are my toes. Great job! Today we learned many body parts in English. Can you remember them all? Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Bye!